Hey guys, this is Isabel from Cognito Forms, and I'm going to show you how to create a copy of a form. You'll be able to save it to the same organization or a different one, depending on your user permissions. I'll also demonstrate how to share your form as a template, allowing others to get a copy of your form without needing access to your organization. To get started, navigate to the form you want to copy. Hover over the form title and then select the Copy option. In the dialog box that appears, you can give your form a new title, choose which organization to add it to, whether to add it to an existing folder, and whether to copy the form's entry details. If your form contains a lookup field or a person field, you can also copy the connected form. Once you're finished making your selections, you can click Copy. Keep in mind that when you copy a form within the same organization, all form settings will be copied verbatim. So be sure to review the form settings, payment settings, and submission settings of your copied form before any new entries are submitted. If you want to share a form with an organization that you're not a member of, you can share your form as a template. To do this, navigate to the build page of your form and ensure that the Share Template option is enabled. If not, turn it on and save your form. Then you can copy the link and share it with anyone outside your organization. When someone shares a template with you, the link should open up to a page showing all the templates that user has shared with you. If the link you were sent takes you to the Cognito Forms General Templates page, or if you don't see the template you were expecting among the shared templates, it could be that the settings were changed or that the form wasn't saved before it was sent to you. When you copy a form from a different organization, not all of the original form settings are copied over. This includes things like the payment settings and other specific bits of information like email addresses attached to email notifications. Additionally, when you copy a form into a HIPAA-compliant organization, certain form settings are copied but are disabled until you update and re-enable them. And that's it. Now you know how to copy a form and share it as a template in Cognito Forms.